Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live, and good evening. We're going to start right out with your hour-by-hour forecast as we go through the overnight hours. The light rain showers we have on the radar right now are going to expand mainly after 2 a.m. and as we head towards just before daybreak. I paused this at 5:20. Notice that the eastern third of North Dakota, western Minnesota, under the gun for some showers of rain that will continue into daybreak. So if you have kids heading off to school between 6 and 8 o'clock, basically, the rain will continue. You're going to need some umbrellas and, well, wet weather wear, because we'll have temperatures in the cool 60s, periods and areas of locally heavy rain. Now, where you see the pockets of orange and even red from time to time, we may even have a rumble of thunder mixed in there. Now, here is a look at what we're going to see throughout the midday hours, as the rain showers will really be heaviest in the southern valley, and they'll be periodically heavy with in between showers and sprinkles. So periods of moderate to heavy rain. It looks like the best chance at staying dry will be up toward that Minot area as the eastern third of North Dakota stands to pick up rainfall for the majority of the day and afternoon, and parts of western Minnesota will see periods of rain all day long. Now, as we go through the evening hours and late day hours, you can expect rain on the drive home, Grand Forks, Fargo, as well as much of eastern North Dakota, finally exiting the area as we get into the 7 to 10 o'clock time frame from west to east. So if you have late day golf going on, your best chance to get any of that in will be in the James River Valley and the Devil's Lake Basin. The rain continues for many of us, heavy at times throughout the day. And as we take a look at rainfall potential with this system, we're going to see a wide area of reports of around 1/4 inch. That's what you see in blue. And just because the model is showing this is the light blue, we still may have pockets under a thunder shower that get locally heavier rain. The best chance of that locally heavy rain, where we could see 1 to 3+ inches of rain, will be in the southern valley, and I think there'll be another band extending from near Carrington through northeast portions of North Dakota. Also could see 1/4 inch to 2 inches in isolated locations as well. So a reminder, last week the update to the drought conditions showed extreme drought in bright red and the exceptional drought in dark red. But over the last week, we've had a number of instances of rain. Radar estimates show the southern valley here in the blues and reds anywhere from 2 to 4, maybe 5 inches of rain over the last week. Some improvement is expected there and possibly in northwest Minnesota as well. We'll have your latest update on that tomorrow as well. Right now, out at Hector, our temperature is 72 degrees. It's 70 at Moorhead's Airport, and your high for tomorrow is likely going to happen here in the next hour and 45 minutes. That would be at midnight. That'll be the warmest part of your day tomorrow. Southeast winds at 10 miles per hour, so we're holding on to 70s anywhere you see the oranges, upper 60s in the James River Valley, some 60s peeking in out to the west as we head to bed. Here's the latest on that radar. We've seen a couple of raindrops on our Grand Forks Skycam up there, some showers and sprinkles near Mayville, but the best chance of showers that are making their way down to the ground, Gackle, Streeter, and heading in towards the western reaches of Lemoore County right now, and the Hillsboro area between there and Mayville seeing some sprinkles. And a little bit of thunder not out of the question as we go through the early overnight hours, but the risk of severe, very small. So a look at your planning forecast in Fargo tomorrow. Look at the flat line of temperatures. The warmest one will be first thing in the morning, about 6 o'clock. Will be mid-60s, spending all day in the low to mid-60s. Wind southeasterly, 15 to 20 miles per hour. So it'll be windy, it's going to be cool, and periods of wet out there, even for the bus ride and commute home and into your evening plans here in Fargo and points east. 4 o'clock snapshot. Good chance of rain for almost all areas in the 4 o'clock hour, at times heavy. Everyone in the 60s with breezy conditions. Thanks so much to Darcy for this photo from Leech Lake. Look at that red sun. Hopefully our rain takes care of a lot of the smoke in the atmosphere over our valley heading into our holiday weekend. So after your first alert weather day tomorrow, and remember, we could have some localized areas of flooding concerns out there, believe it or not, in the midst of our drought. We're talking about temperatures for Friday as we get set to hit a home run on this holiday weekend for Labor Day. 75 with a sprinkle or two on Saturday morning. The rest of the day quiet into Sunday. Can't rule out some Labor Day showers out there, but all in all, looks great to get out with the family and enjoy the 3-day holiday weekend.
Yeah, it looks great. Thanks, Hunter.
You bet. All right.